Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can delete your files in OneDrive. To do so, first of all you have to do is log into your OneDrive account. To do so, simply go into Google Chrome browser and from there go into OneDrive, and after that go onto OneDrive official page and log into your account like I already am. Here you can see that I am logged into my OneDrive account. And now if you're aware to delete any files, first of all you have to do is locate the file that you want to delete. After that, you'll be able to see a 3-dot option like this. If you simply click on this, you can see all of these options appear, and from there is an option for delete as well. Now simply all you have to do is delete, and after that just confirm your action by pressing on delete again, and you'll be able to see that the item has been deleted from your OneDrive file, and it will be sent to the recycle bin. And if you go onto recycle bin, you can see that after 30 days of being in the recycle bin's item will automatically be permanently deleted. So if you have deleted the file accidentally, make sure to retrieve them. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.